Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this one we're gonna cut out a lock for a ply door. This method also can work for any doors, guys. Ply, metal. You know the metal doors already come cut out the locks already. So stay tuned, peeps. Alright guys, so right here so we have a ply door. So we have the door already installed. So we're gonna cut out the lock on it right now because these doors don't come cut out, understand guys? So come on, journey with me guys. We're gonna cut out this lock right now. Alright. So first thing first guys. You can see the writing right here. So this is where the lock gonna go. But guys, temporarily I had a metal door right here. So we have a cutout for the tongue of the locker. But this can't work guys. Because why it can't work? This piece of board, as you can see right here, so it's very soft guys. So the piece of board for the lock to cut out, it starts from right here to right here. So it only can go low guys. You have to feel for the board in here, so guys, where the lock gonna go. As you can see, right up here, so it's very soft. So it starts from actually right here, so to about down here. So this is where the lock gonna go guys, right in this section. But the metal door that I had here is a bit higher where the tongue is. So I can't come up with this too much because this thing only goes low and not high enough that I could cut back the door lock to use back that same tongue and the jam. So I'm gonna have to cut out a fresh one and block out back that one, alright? So let's get into this right now, my people. Yeah guys, so right now we have one of the door installation kit, or this pronounced Ivy Classic, if you want to pronounce it that way. Here's the name. They have many other different brands. You have Dual, you have Ryobi, you have Irvin, you have many of them guys. This one was purchased overseas. I don't really see them locally in Jamaica. Don't know if they have them in any hardware, but I haven't come across any. So this is what we're going to use. As you can see, it comes with two screw holes right here that will fit on the door. And just screw the two screws right here to hold it in place guys. So this is a one-stop shop. Cut out the lock, cut out where the tongue is, and you're through. You understand guys? This can also be adjusted. It comes with some screws right here, all in key screws. You can pull this off and turn it around in case you're using the metal doors. You want to cut a lock on the metal doors because the metal door is a bit fatter. So you got to turn this around. As you notice, this have some groove on the inside. This door is a bit smaller, so this groove you turn it inside to hold firmly on that door. This cannot go on the metal door, guys. Let me show you. So here's a metal door. This cannot fit. See guys, this is too fat. So we have to pull off this and turn it around on the smooth side. So you fit on this. Alright, so let's get back over here. So we're gonna drop it right here so guys get this in place. Drop a screw in this thing to hold it in place. One yourself. Right. Put another one in it. Keep it firm. Alright, that is it. This is ready to pop out now guys. So this is the other piece for the kit. All of these come together. I have a next small piece for the tongue, which goes right in here. So this is a one-stop shop guys. Come on, this happens. this in the drill. Alright. That is it. And find the center of this thing, which is not hard. It seems good enough right there. Take your time and cut it. Check around here, guys. Alright. It's no space to work. Let's see if it comes through it. Alright. Alright, guys, so I'll show you something now. As you can see right here, so guys, the lock comes. What you're gonna do now, guys, is to place this right in the hole that comes through. As you can see, the bit projects. So when it comes through, you come around this side and you finish cut out. Reason being, you don't want to cut it right through, guys, and you want to cut it from around this side, and when it comes through, you tear this side. So you cut to a section until you see this little point push out around here, so, and that is the center. Where you put back this thing right in the center here. And you find back the center for this side. You understand, guys? And then you're gonna get a proper cutout. If you cut it from one side, you probably tear the door when you come around the other side. So you wanna cut it to an extent and then you cut it from the other side and go back. You understand? The hole will come through this part. So I'm just gonna put this bit right in the hole. Just like that, guys. This is easy to come out as well. So you have some doors, it's hard to come out. Some of the bit for the cutout, this hard to come out, but this one is very easy to come out. It's a good kit. Yep. Take a look at it, guys. Beautiful look. Look at that. Alright. Check the other side. Nice. So what I'm gonna do now is to cut out the tongue. So we still have the kit and the doors. I haven't moved. I'm gonna change the bit, guys. Supposed to have a wrench right here. Yeah, guys, so we have a wrench. Just hold this. And pull it off. Just like that. Screw it back in this one. A lot of type in it. Just like that. Ready to go again. I have a 7/8 bit right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just to punch a little hole in in the center, just like that. Steady. Just for that to go down in. Don't have to do it like that, you know. Didn't have to do it like this. But it's easier for me to fit this. Just like that, guys. It's ready. Yeah, guys. So that is it right there. As you can see, the tongue is cut out. Look at that. Just like that. So I'm gonna remove this kit right here. I'm gonna countersink where the tongue is gonna go. This is the tongue for the lock. Just gonna put it in and mark it out. I'm gonna countersink this face section right here. Put it flush with the face of the door. So the same holes that the cutout kit goes in, guys, as you can see, the same hole that we screw the screws in, and that this thing can work same place. I say you don't have to do any hole. The screws go right back in here. So it's a good look. So I just mark out this where we want to cut out the countersink here. Guys, we have a 3/4 chisel. 3/4 chisel right here. Just gonna cut out this thing. You tank. You have some rotor to put out these things there, guys. But we don't have that tool right now. But this money can sponsor no one. Have to be careful with this thing, you know, guys. You don't have enough room working with. You don't want to tear the door. So you have to be very careful with it. Understand? You have a lot of tools for the work out here, guys. Just to come across it and you have money to purchase them, you understand? You have another set that you just put over this, just like how we have to cut out another kit to cut out this countersink here as well. Use it as a guide. And overseas, guys, I see all the tools. The Jamaica third world country, you know? I see a lot of tools. You guys can go online and shop. Little technical work, you know, guys. You can't do rush them out and answer. Take your time with it. You want it to come out good. That is it. Check this thing and see how far it's gone inside. If you want to cut out some more, yeah, you can sink a little bit more. There's nowhere. Needed to flush with this piece right here, so that's why I'm sinking it a bit more deeper. When the door closes, it doesn't buck, and the other piece that is going on the jump. You see, does it? To gauge this thing, you know, guys, you go deep, you know. That's why carpentry is a part of the general construction course. You understand, guys? Very important. This is carpentry work. Alright. This looks good. This looks good right there. Punch it up now, you know? Where did I put those screws? Yeah, guys, I can store this. As I said, the holes are already there from the kit, the cutout kit. So I don't have to bore any hole. Just like that. Guys, sometimes we replace these screws with the drywall screws, no? Because the drywall screw is a bit stronger. Still kind of twist. Wow. So we have one of them Chinaman lock here, so guys. I like it still. Oh. Let's forget that the screws are not removed. Just like that. Right. Where are Mr. Key? This thing is locked. Seems alright. Some of the deadlocks, guys, probably because this is not the deadlock. Sometimes using the deadlock you have to go back so it can turn because they are longer than these. Alright, so I'm gonna kick the key for this thing. We have one key already somewhere. Yeah guys, so this is the key right here. Push it in this and release it. Alright, just like that. Release this thing. Cover needs to come off, guys. This is the metal piece. Take off this piece so you get this inside piece to screw on this thing. I need a flat point. Use a flat point and just barely pull this thing. So it is very thin, you don't want to bend it up, you know, guys, or destroy it. You understand? You have to be very careful with these things. Alright, so let me install this. Feel like I should lock up this door though. Where's the other piece? Pull this little section down. Turn it up. Good. Alright, so. Hope you guys seeing this thing, you know. Yeah man, I want you guys to catch all of it, you understand? So, this piece go right over there. So I'm gonna turn. Right here. Where did I put the screws? Guys, catch them. Right here. Another one right here. gonna ensure that you put the knob on the inside. You understand? Whether you use it in a bedroom or a bathroom or outside lock, you wanna put the knob on the inside. You don't turn it out the door, guys. There are some crazy people out there, you know. Try this thing again. You must stir that way. Alright. Good. That is it. I'm gonna mark out where this thing gonna go right here. Just like that. This is where the other tongue is, guys. Look, you see how far this drop down? Because of the board that they put in the door, you can't carry the lock up higher as you want. Alright, so square this off. Right here, so. Alright. Measure. And these locks don't come far back as the metal door, guys. They fit closer to the front than each other. The metal doors come a bit back because they are wider than these doors. Alright guys, I'm going to take the measurement of the door right here. So we have inch and 7/8 right here, so guys. Inch and 7/8. So we need the center of that. Put the tape down here so I can see it better. So we have 1, 3, 5/8. 16, that's all. So I'm going to take 5/8 of an inch on this. One would be the center for the tongue to go in. So we're just going to use this 7/8 bit to catch the center. Boom! Right here, so. So guys, we're gonna cut this out. Get rid of. Right. I'm gonna use this bit to cut out this one. You have to go back with this, guys, because these tongues are not deep as the deadlock. Just like that. See that, peeps? Just like that. So this is the other piece, guys. This little metal trim right here. We're gonna go right in this piece. Just a complete piece, otherwise. We're going to countersink this piece so it doesn't obstruct the door when it is closing. You have brother chisel you can use, guys, to do the work a bit faster, but this is just a 3/4. chisel. We use a 1 inch to cover more ground. Just gonna use what we have. Use a little bit tightish. Yeah man, this is what we're talking about guys. You want a good screw? Want a drywall screw? So we have some drywalls. We're going to replace those piece of crops that they send with the door lock. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Piece of garbage. This piece of garbage that they send with the locks, man. Don't have a use. Replace them with some drywall. Boss, cool them there. So I want to know. Oh my god. Look at that now. Yeah, my peeps. Look at that now. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look. Just like that, peeps. Doors on. It's a good look. Alright, so when we get the trim to go around the door, just install those. Guys, I'm going to pull this out right now. I like this cutout lock thing. It's very nice. Very easy to come out with. Very, very easy. So, see this piece that I cut out of it? Out of the tongue here, guys. We're going to cut it and put it back right in here. Yep. We're going to fit it back right in here. Just like that. We're going to glue it back right here, guys. Probably can get a bit more of this. I don't use this chiseling because it is very nicely. Oh, I'm not sure to find. Glue back that right in here. Just like that. Yeah. So, finish with this thing, guys. And then how to go in there. You lock. Release. Close. Release. Good. Finish with that. That is it. Yeah, guys. So,
That is how you install a lock on a ply door. Yeah. This guys, the kit that I show you, you can cut a metal door as well. Yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please put a like on it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel, man. You understand? And share all the videos, guys. So thank you for watching this one. See you in the next one.